Day 3 of a week's worth of pasta, and today we are making a baked Boursin and Leek pasta. So easy, absolutely delicious. Let's show you how it's done. God, I'm dribbling. Sorry. Oh my gosh.
Shall we leave you in peace?
Yeah, please do.
This is Bill. Midge had her moment in the last video, Bill deserved his, but we'll try and keep story time to a minimum and crack on with the recipe. Did you know Boursin makes a superb pasta sauce, particularly if you roast it? I'm going to pop it into a roasting dish, surrounded by some freshly sliced up leeks, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, a nice hit of capers for that additional salty tartness, a glass full of good white wine, a glug of high quality olive oil, and don't forget to season up with salt and pepper. This is then going to go into an oven and roast for about 25 minutes until golden and melted. And that, my friends, is your pasta sauce. This is a sort of simple midweek cooking that I love the most. So much flavour, but so easy to pull together. Toss through whatever pasta you want. I'm a linguine fan personally. You will not be disappointed.